Okay, so I have all the lead details and let me just enter it in my Google Sheets one by one simply by copy pasting it. I'm just going to simply copy paste all the details and enter the lead details in my spreadsheet. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task. I wish there was a solution to this. Yes, there is a solution to this. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can stop copy pasting and start automating. This used to be me a few days before I knew about automation. Now what happens is whenever I receive a new lead, instantly their details are added in my spreadsheet. If you also want to create this amazing automation, follow me till the end. You just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now let's see how to create this amazing automation. For that, you just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and come on your dashboard. Now you have to click on this create workflow button, and then we're going to use this create using quick builder. Now we just have to enter the details. Okay, so let's say I want to add the lead details in my spreadsheet. So I'm just going to mention add lead details in my spreadsheet. So I'm just going to type the same add lead details in sheets, and I'm just going to send it right over here. I've not mentioned from where the lead details are coming. It is saying which app should we use for the trigger. So I want to use Google Ads because the leads are coming in from Google Ads. So I'm just going to type right over here other, and then I am just going to enter Google Ads and then send it right over here. It is saying which trigger would you start this workflow with. So I want to start it with new lead form entry, and it is saying which Google Sheets action. So I want to add a new row in Google Sheets whenever I receive a new lead. Okay, it is saying ready to create this workflow. Yes, we are ready. Google Ads to Google Sheets. Click on this approve and create, and this is our workflow which is created successfully. So let me just open it. Now my workflow is created successfully. I just have to connect my applications and I'm good to go. First, let's just connect Google Ads. So I'm just going to open Google Ads and click on this connected button right over here. Over here is the webhook URL. So let me just copy the webhook URL, and over here you can see that I have to click on this recapture webhook response, and then yes, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let me just copy this webhook URL and open my Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, first of all, I have to add a lead form because I want to collect the lead details using the lead forms only. So I'm just going to add the lead form, enter all the necessary details which I want of my lead. I want to add name, email, phone and city. So I've selected the same name, email, phone and city. Okay, let me just move on further. Now over here you're going to see the option of lead delivery. So open this. It is saying webhook URL and key. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and then key. So simply enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response of this test data. Okay, so till we wait for a few seconds, I will just let you know that over here I'm just going to capture the response of test details. As you can see, we have successfully captured the details. So where's the city, the phone number, the email, the first name and the last name which is the full name. So these are test details. If you want to capture the details of your real lead, then you have to click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. Otherwise you can create this automation like me with the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine for a real leads too. Now let's move on further, go on this Google Sheets and let's just connect our Google Sheets. For that, click on this connect, and now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't followed me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this amazing connection. So simply choose the Gmail account. Then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Once your Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, you have to select the spreadsheet over here. So the name of my spreadsheet is new leads. So I've selected the same and I've selected the sheets which is details. Now it is asking me for the name, email, phone number and and city. So one by one I'm just going to enter these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this. If you're mapping the test details, make sure to map only the string value, then click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have added the details in our spreadsheet, and you can see the details are added in my spreadsheet. Now no more copy pasting. Automatically whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the details will be added in my spreadsheet, or you can also add CRM now and the details will be added in your CRM too. Apart from Google Ads, you can use Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, you can use any another form builder application. Pabbly supports almost all of them. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. Go and try Pabbly yourself, and what you have to do is just on the dashboard, click on this create workflow button, go on this quick builder, mention all the details you want, and your workflow will be ready. Connect your applications and you're good to go. So go and try this amazing automation, and while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Further, if you like Pabbly Connect, do not forget that this discount coupon code is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect right now. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and see you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching. Stop copy pasting the data and start automating. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.